Hi guys, welcome back. This is Madam Case. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Check out all my other videos. Really tasty, easy to make, affordable recipes. Today I want to show you how to make I think hands down the most tastiest tuna pasta, but it's so easy to make and very minimum ingredients. So here I've got pasta already cooked, but you have to cook it and just take it off 5 minutes before it's completely cooked. And I got one lemon sliced, it's half a lemon actually. I got 150 milliliters of double cream. I got white lasagna sauce, but that's optional really. Got 2 chopped onions, got black pepper, salt, and 3 handfuls of mozzarella, and obviously got 3 cans of tuna, and they're still in the brine. The brine is the water that's in the tuna when you open the can, so it's canned tuna, but don't drain out the brine. Okay, let's start. So first step, on very low heat, we're going to put our pot for our pasta. So first thing to do is the white lasagna sauce that I'm going to use, but like I said before, this is optional. It's just to give it a more creamier taste, but if you're happy with just the double cream, that's fine as well. So I'm going to use the whole container. This is about 340 grams, and then add the double cream and just stir it together. Okay. Add our mozzarella. This will become really thick. So what I do at this stage is just get a bit of water to add to it. Just on the side, just a little bit of water, and then just stir it. Just make sure they don't heat. So it's just for a minute. So mix your ingredients together, and then start adding your pasta. Because you don't have to throw the whole pasta like just at once. So you gradually just add your pasta. So I'm going to just use my pasta here. Just so once we've done our pasta bit, we're going to focus on our tuna. So I got my wok here, and there's already oil that's just getting warm. So the first thing to do is to add our onions. Add black pepper. This is like a teaspoon of black pepper. Add salt to taste. And just stir it. Okay, so once your onions are nice and tender, you add your tuna. And please make sure you don't take out the brine. So the brine is the water that's always in your canned tuna, and you just add it. Okay, so after 1 minute, just taste to see that your pepper, your black pepper and your salt is enough. In this case, I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, and then squeeze in lemon. Okay, so this has been simmering for a minute now. So now we're going to add the pasta bit. So what you want to do is just make a bit of space on one side. Once everything has been mixed together, that's it. So easy.